Next box we'll break for hockey is 05. Box we're breaking now is number 22. Good luck to everybody. If you want some, come get some. And the Gila Monster. Starting out with a nice autograph photo for the Flyers, Bernie Perrant. Pretty sick photo of Bernie. Feel the burn. For the Flyers, nice Bernie photo. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Next up, we got a autograph puck. Stutzelvlagens Åstregund Årevårsnegens for the Ottawa Senators Stutzelglagen Draft 2024 Ottawa. Sick, filthy hit. That is Fanatic certified, of course. Is that a draft puck? Yeah. Pretty sick puck right there, baby, for Ottawa. Stutzelglagen, Ustendagen. What a beauty. This box is alright. It's like, whatever. Could be better. For the Edmonton Oilers, we got an authentic pro Adidas Fanatic certified for the Oilers, Leon Dion Draisaitl, baby. This box is alright. It's like, whatever. It's alright. I mean, come on, really? Put something good in it. Give me a break. That's insane box, dude. It's an expensive box for sure. Feel the burn. Here we go. Let's see who owns these items. Draisaitl. Whoever has the oil, you want to trade it in for some break credit, let me know. Jersey breaks be back pretty soon, guys. Gotten back a few jerseys from you guys here and there. All right, so we got Ottawa for the Stutzelglagen. Ottawa going to Nikki. Wow, nice hit, Nikki D, man. Jeez Louise. Stutzelglagen. Ombragen. What a beauty on the puck, bro. It's pretty sick. Definitely sick. Now we got the Flyers. Vic has Fly in SPGU. Dale has Fly in buybacks. And Chris has the Fly. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on. I'm sorry. That is Ellie Cat with the Flyers. Ellie Cat with the burn. Crisco had him last time. Ellie with the Flyers on the Bernie Parent. There we go, baby. And the Oilers. Let's see if they have the same owner for the Oil. Gare Bear. Oilers in 14. Gare Bear has them in 14. Dubs and SPGU. Goldie in the buybacks. It is going to Rybone. Nice hit for the Rybone, baby. Dude, it's been a while, bro. That's pretty sick. Congrats, man.